Hi guys, welcome back to Janya's Creations. How are you guys? It's summer. Yay! So no school, you're stress free, no academic stress, there's nothing to stress about, but you know how we are with tests, homework and stuff. So my summer was not normal. Trust me, not at all normal. It was actually very fun and very chaotic. But before that, guys, it's very hot, so you have to drink water and cool drinks. It is very necessary. Otherwise, you might actually burn because it's that hot. Especially in Bangalore, it's extremely hot. And by the way, I got my hair cut. So how do you like this new look? I tried a wolf cut, but I don't think it looks like a wolf cut. So yeah. By the way, let's get back to my summer. Trust me, it was not normal. Literally, I was teleporting from one city to another. You're probably like, what do you mean you're teleporting from one city to another? Let me explain. So, this trip started off something fun. I thought, okay, I'm gonna romanticize it. It's gonna be really fun. Take aesthetic videos, cut the entire trip. I was sleeping in the car. So the first stop was Davangere. I was like, okay, starting the trip with energy, it's gonna be really fun. That lasted exactly 20 minutes because I was in the car snoring and drooling like I haven't slept ever. So yeah, and then in Davangere we went to the glass house. It was actually really pretty. Like there were some plants. We took many pictures. It was actually kind of big. I enjoyed it. It was really pretty, but I was running on zero sleep that time, even though I slept like 3 times in one day. So yeah. Then we went to Hubli, Haveri, Gadag, and at one point I lost track where I was. Literally, we were like 1 second we were in Hubli, next second we're in Haveri, next second we're in Gadag. I was like, excuse me, take a break, man, like take a break. And I'm over here just trying to survive, and my parents are over here attending shoots, doing meetings, being extremely productive, while me, I'm running on zero sleep, being the unpaid camera woman and holding things. The salary zero, and like confusion very much. Kevin was also poor boy, he was with me holding things, but I was like the emotional support for them, so like, I'm very happy about that. Then we went to Badami. There was this giant rock. It was so pretty, but I couldn't climb because of my health issue. And I was like, yeah, no, I am not climbing that. Instead, I'll be the emotional support to people who are climbing. I'm like, hey guys, I'm good. I'm just down here chilling. Like literally, I'm crying because I could not go up. So, yeah. Then we went to Bijapur. Damn, bro, Bijapur was like actually really pretty. Like we went to Gol Gumbaz, and can someone tell me why? Like why are there so many stairs, man? I was like, okay, this is gonna be like a fun workout. I'll do cardio. I don't even know what cardio is. So I'll do cardio. I'll get leg workout and shit. But no, bro, that it was the opposite. 2 minutes later, I was crying because my leg hurts. That's actually kind of concerning, to be honest. Just climbing 2 stories and like I'm already tired, and when you go down it's even worse. Like your legs start shivering, man. Like the whole day my thighs were hurting. Like I'm not even kidding. I might be a little over dramatic, but you guys don't know how I feel, okay? But it was actually really pretty. When we got up, like I screamed my name and it literally came back to me 100 times. Like, bro, chill, man, just chill. So I do not trust that building because if I talk, it will come back to me like 100 times. Like it's like as if it's gossiping about me. But let me tell you, Golgumbas, it's really pretty. You guys should definitely visit it, and like you'll definitely enjoy it. Even though the stairs are like a bit too much, but it's very nice. It's you should go. Totally amazing. And then let's talk about the hotel rooms. Every single day we were staying in one hotel room. New hotel room, new life, new personality. Then again checking out, feeling very sad, and again going to a new hotel room, new life, and repeat. The cycle repeats. That was actually kind of nice. I can flex to my friends like, yeah, bro, I was staying in like different hotels rooms every single day. Like, oh my god, that's just so cool. And then, to be honest, I'm being a little dramatic here, but the car rides was actually really nice. Playing music, the sunset or the sunrise or something, I don't really know, to be honest. It was really nice. I was acting like as if I was the main character, while I was literally snoring like 5 minutes ago and drooling. So, yeah. After that, we went to the Payana Car Museum with my cousin brother, and it was really nice looking at the cars. It was so vintage, it was so pretty. It was like as if every car or every scooter had its own backstory, like a very dramatic or like very cool, like swag backstory. Like, it's actually so cool. And me, who doesn't know anything about cars, I just like their vroom vroom and like their engine and how it goes. That's the only thing I like. I was trying to understand everything and taking aesthetic videos like, yeah, I understand everything. I'm such a chill person, bro. Well, I was just, I don't know what is going on. And then after we went to car museum, I had this enlightenment that, oh, I had to learn the scooter. So I annoyed my cousin brother into teaching me, and genuinely, I think he hates me now. So, because I'm really annoying, literally at first I couldn't even lift the scooter. My cousin brother was like, "You are, what is wrong with you? How can you not even like lift the scooter?" And then, like, I lifted the scooter, okay, like I can lift the scooter now. And then we went front, back, literally confidence very high, balance zero. Like, now I improved, okay, now I can like go back and forward. I can also turn a little bit. But the thing is, I can do it with my grandfather's scooter, but in any other scooter, I'm just scared to do it. Like, what if I break it? What if I crash? What if I go forward and hit my head and break my head? I'm an overthinker. So this trip was very fun, very memorable, extremely chaotic, very tiring, but very beautiful. New skills unlocked, by the way, and I'm going to learn the scooter and show you guys that I am not a coward. Okay? So let me tell you where and all we went once again. We went to Davangere, Hubli, Haveri, Gadag, the three places where I lost track. And then we went to Badami, Bijapur, Payanaka Museum, and finally we went to learn the scooter. So now I'm officially the kind of person who gets enlightenment randomly and sleeps every single day. So as a very professional sleeper, I unlocked the new skill of learning the scooter. So you guys better be proud of me for that. And I'm gonna show you guys me riding the scooter and taking my friends out, okay? Promise you. So my summer was extremely fun. And more is going to come because like my summer didn't end yet, bro. My summer ends at May 19th. Very sad. My school starts very soon. I don't know why. Just let us enjoy the summer. Let it be from June 1st. For my brother, it's like till June 1st. Like, what? Why? But I'm going off topic. So, yeah, my summer was actually really fun. So, hope you guys also had a very enjoyable summer and may you have even more enjoyable summer because summer did not end yet, baby. So, bye guys. This is all for today. And make sure to drink water, lots of water, stay hydrated, and drink cool drinks, eat healthy food. I won't do that, but I should do that. And yeah. So, this is all for today. I hope you liked it. And don't forget to press like button and subscribe and comment down below if you want more interesting videos. Bye, guys. Woo!